Good morning, students. Today topic is relationship between degree and radian measure. First, radian measure. Trigonometry was extended to physics, chemistry, where it required trigonometric functions whose domains were sets of real numbers rather than angles. This was accomplished by using the correspondence between an angle and the length of the object on a unit circle. Such a measure of angle is termed as radian measure. Next, degree measure. Degree measure can be defined in a simpler and a more institute way. For example, the measuring of temperature Celsius unit is better than Fahrenheit, as Celsius was defined using 0 degree to 100 degree for fishing and boiling points of water. Example, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Example, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Pi radian means divide through by 2 on both sides, we get 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. X radian is equal to 180 degree into x divided by pi. 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radians. X degree is equal to pi x divided by 180 radians. X plus the following angles in radian measure. First, number 1, 30 degree. 30 degree into radian measure. 30 degree is equal to 30 into pi by 180. Is equal to, cancelling these two, 130 is 30, 630 is 180. So, pi divided by 6. Pi divided by 60. Okay. Next, number 2, 135 degree. Let 135 degree is equal to 135 into pi divided by 180. 345 are 135, 445 are 180. So 3 pi divided by 4d. Next, 205. Solution number 3, minus 205 degree. Let minus 205 degree is equal to minus 205 into pi divided by 180 is equal to minus 205. So 21 5s are 41 5s are 205. So 41 divided by 36. So minus 41 pi divided by 36. Minus 41 divided by 36. Okay. Next, measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Degree measure into radian measure. So, number 1, pi by 3. Pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3 into, here 180 divided by pi. 180 divided by pi is equal to pi cancel. 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Next, number 2. Pi by 9. Pi by 9 is equal to pi by 9 into 180 divided by pi. Pi cancel. 180 divided by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Next, solution number 3. 2 pi divided by pi. 2 pi divided by 5 is equal to 2 pi divided by 5 into 180 by 5 is equal to pi cancel. 360 2 180 are 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72. 1 5 is 5. 72 5s are 360. Therefore 72 is 72 degree. What must be the radius of a circular running path around which at the plate of must run 5 times in order to describe in 1 centimeter. By the given instruction, athlete runs 5 times around the circle. 5 times around the circle. Circle, center to O, radius or edge point is C. 5 times circumference of the circle is equal to the distance covered. 5 into circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r is equal to 1 kilometer is given. 1 kilometer is given. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So 5 2s are 10. 10 pi r is equal to 1000. 5 10. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 1000. Next, r is equal to 1000. Reciprocal gives 7 divided by 22 by 10. Cancelling we get 350 divided by 11. 350 divided by 11 is 31.8182. 818 means 31.82 meters. Okay. In the circle of diameter 40 centimeter, a chord of length 20 centimeter. Length of the minor arc of the chord. Let O be the center of the circle. A and B are the chord 20 centimeter. Diameter is 40 centimeter given. Therefore, OE and OB is 20 20. Radius is 20 20. Given circle of diameter is 40. Radius diameter divided by 2 is radius 20 centimeter. From the diagram, CA is equal, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Since angle AOB, let theta be the angle subtended by the chord AB, then AOB is 60 degree. 60 degree into, convert into radian measure, 60 into pi divided by 180, cancelling these two, pi by 3 radians. That will be the length of the minor arc of the chord AB. Theta C, we know that theta is equal to L by R. Cross multiplying we get L is equal to R theta. R is 20, theta is pi by 3. Multiplying we get 440 divided by 21. Cancelling these two we get 20.95 centimeter. Measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter and the arc of the length 20 centimeter. Okay. Given radius centimeter. Given radius equal to 100 length of the arc is given by length of the arc is equal to length of the arc is given by 11 centimeter. So 22 centimeter. Let theta be the radians subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle. 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. We know that theta is equal to 180 divided by pi into LR. So 22 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. Is equal to 18 into 18 divided by 22 by 7 into 22 divided by 10. 22 cancel. 18 into 7 divided by 10. 2 5s are 10, 9 2s are 18. So 9 into 7 divided by 2 is equal to 5 2s are 10. So 9 7s are 63 divided by 5 is equal to how many 5s are there? 12 5s are there. Remaining part 3 divided by 40. So 12 degree 3 by 5 minutes is equal to 12 degree 3 by 5 minutes is 36 minutes. Hence theta is equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. The length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of measure 41 degree in a circle of radius 10 feet. In a circle of radius 10 feet. Central angle is given by central angle is equal to 41 degree. Central angle theta 41 degree. Next, L be the length of the arc. Let L be the length of the arc. Then theta is equal to L by R. This is formula. In this case, theta is equal to L is 41 divided by R is 180 divided by 5 is equal to 41 into pi divided by 180 is equal to 41 pi divided by 180. R is equal to, R is given by 10 feet. R is equal to given, R is equal to 10 feet. L is equal to R theta is formula. Is equal to 10 into 41 pi divided by 180 is equal to 10 into 41 divided by 180 Pi is 22 by 7. Now 22, 11 2s are 22. Here 90, 0 0 cancel, 10 10 cancel. 41 into 11 divided by 9 into 7 is equal to 451 divided by 63, 7.158, approximately 7.2 feet. This is if in two circles areas of the same length subtended angles 60 degree and 75 degree. One is 60 degree, another one is 75 degree at the center. Then the radii of their the ratio of their radii is questioned. Then find the ratio of their radii. First we have to take, let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two circles. Subtended angle first 60 degree, next 75 degree. It is equal to 60 is equal to 60 into degree measure into radian measure, pi divided by 180 is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 radian. Theta 1 is equal to formula L1 by R1. Now L1 is equal to, this will implies L1 is equal to theta 1 into R1 equal to L divided by R1. L is equal to theta 1 R1 is equal to, first theta 1 is pi by 3 R1. Number this as 1. Next theta 2. Theta 2 second degree 75 degree, therefore 75 degree means into a degree measure into radian measure, 75 into pi by 180 is equal to 75 180. So 1536 15 pi divided by 36. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36. So 3 pi divided by 12 radians. Theta 12. Now theta 2 is equal to here theta 2 is equal to L divided by R2. Cross multiplying we get L is equal to theta 2 R2 is equal to theta 2 is 5 pi divided by 12 into R2 is R2. Number this is 2. Now equation number 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 gives 5 by 3 R1 divided by 5 pi by 12 into R2 is equal to 4 by 5. Now 5 by cancel. 4 by 5. Next R1 by here 5 is 36, 4 by 5. Next R1 by R2 is equal to 4 by 5. This will implies R1 is to ratio between R1 and R2. Therefore R1 is to R2 is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 4 is to 5. Is to 5. To perimeter of a certain sector of a circle is equal to the length of the arc of a semicircle having the same radius. Express the angle of the sector in degrees, minutes and seconds. Let R be the radius of the circle. Let small r be the radius of the circle. Next, theta be the sector angle. Let theta be the sector angle. Perimeter of the sector is equal to perimeter of the sector is equal to L plus 2R. L is R theta plus 2R. Theta is equal to 5 minus 2 radians is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 divided by 5. Multiplying we get 5 by cancel 180 minus 360 divided by 5 is equal to 180 minus 360 divided by 22 by 7 is equal to 180 minus 114 degree 32 minutes 44 seconds is equal to 65 degree 27 minute 16 seconds. Next, question number 9. An airplane propeller rotates 1000 times. How many times? 1000 times per minute. Find the number of degrees that a point on the edge of the propeller will rotate in 1 second. In only 1 second. First, one complete rotation gives 360 degree. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. Number of degrees in 1 minute is equal to number of degrees in 1 minute is equal to 1000 into 360. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So number of degrees in 60 seconds is equal to 1000 into 360 degree. These two are equal. Okay. Number of degrees in 1 seconds. Number of degrees in 1 second is equal to 1000 into 360 divided by 60. Cancelling these two. Cancelling these two. 6 160 60 no 660 sir 360. Multiplying these two 6000. Rotation is 6000. Okay, 6000 degree. Today homework. X number 3.2. Sum number 1. Subdivision number 4 and 5. Sum number 2. Subdivision number 4 and 5. Next. Sum number 10 and 11. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.